To configure AWS Amplify S3 integration, start by installing the AWS Amplify CLI and configuring your AWS credentials. Next, create a new AWS Amplify project and initialize it with the Amplify CLI. Then, install the Amplify storage package using the CLI command amplify add storage. Choose the options that best fit your needs, such as the storage bucket name in the region where your bucket will be located. After installing the storage package, update your AWS Amplify configuration by running the command amplify push. This command will create the necessary resources in your AWS account, including the S3 bucket. To access the S3 bucket in your application, import the Amplify storage package and use the put or get methods to interact with your bucket. Make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a smooth user experience. When using AWS Amplify S3 integration, keep in mind best practices such as using IAM roles and permissions to control access to your bucket and ensuring that your bucket is properly secured with encryption and access controls. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily configure AWS Amplify S3 integration and start using the powerful features of AWS Amplify in your application. This integration provides a scalable and secure way to store and manage files in your application, and can help you build a more robust and user-friendly experience for your users. Key concepts to remember include the importance of proper configuration and security when using AWS Amplify S3 integration, as well as the need to handle errors and exceptions properly. By keeping these concepts in mind and following the steps outlined above, you can successfully configure AWS Amplify S3 integration and start building a more powerful and scalable application.